Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College.
Let's see how to convert a decimal number into binary number. Decimal to binary conversion. As we know, in a decimal number the radix is 10 and in a binary number the radix is 2. So let's take one example. This is our decimal number, its radix is 10 and we have to convert this number into binary which having the radix 2. So, to convert this decimal number into binary number, we have to use a double-double method. In double-double method, we have to divide the number by 2. So, let's divide the number, this is our decimal number, divide this number by 2. By dividing this number, here we got the quotient and we have to take into consideration the remainder. So, we got here the quotient is 44 and the remainder is 0. Now, again we have to divide this number by 2. So, we got the quotient 22 and the remainder is 0. Again we have to divide this number by 2. We got the quotient 11 and the remainder is 0. Again we have to divide this number by 2. So we got the quotient 2. So we got the quotient 5 and remainder is 1. Now divide this number by 2. We got the quotient 2 and the remainder is 1. Divide this number by 2. We got the quotient 1 and the remainder is 0. Okay. Then when we divide this number by 2, we got the quotient 1. Then the process stops and we got our answer. We have to write down this answer from reverse order from bottom to top. In this way we have to write the answer. So finally the 88, this is our decimal number. We divide this number by 2 to get the decimal to binary conversion and we got this answer, that is 10110000. So the answer is 10110000. 10110000. So this is the binary equivalent of 88. Let's move to another example to convert a decimal number into binary number. The number is 125. It's our decimal number. We have to convert this number into binary. So take this number, write down this number, that is 125. Divide this number by 2. So by dividing this, we got here 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4 and the remainder is 1. Now again divide this number by 2. So we got here 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2 and the remainder is 0. Divide this number by 2. We got here 15 and the remainder is 1. 2 7s are 14, remainder is 1. 2 3s are 16, remainder is 1. 2 1s are 2 and the remainder is 1. Now you have to write down this answer in this way. Okay. So by dividing the number by 2, we got this answer, that is the binary equivalent of 125. So the answer is 111111101. 101 101. This is the binary equivalent of 125. Let's move to another example to convert decimal number into binary number. So The number is 69. It's a decimal number. We have to convert this number into binary. So in this we have to use the double double method. We have to divide this number 69 by 2. We'll get here 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 and the remainder is 1. Again we have to divide this number by 2. We got here quotient is 17, remainder is 0. Then we divide this number by 2. We got here quotient 8 and the remainder is 1. Divide this number by 2. We got here quotient 4, remainder is 0. Then again divide this number by 2. We got here 2 and the remainder is 0. Divide this number by 2. We got here quotient 1 and remainder is 0. So we have to write down the answer from the bottom to top in the reverse order, that is from bottom to top. So we got this answer 1 0 0 0 1 0 1. So 69, that is a decimal number. We convert this number into binary. So we got the answer 1 0 0 0 number into binary. So we got the answer 1 0 0 0 1 0 1. See, 1 0 0 0 1 0 1. In this way we convert this decimal number into binary.
As we studied how to convert a decimal number into binary number, let's see how to convert a fractional decimal number into binary.
Let's see how to convert fractional decimal numbers into binary. Fractional decimal to binary conversion. Example is 88.125. It's a decimal number and we have to convert this number into binary. So in this, see, in this part, that is 88 is the integer part and this 125 is a fractional part. So first of all we have to convert this integer part. We have to convert this integer into binary. Then we have to convert this fractional part into binary. First, we have to take this 88, divide this number by 2. That is double level method. So here we got the quotient 44 and the remainder is 0. Then again we have to divide it by 2. We got here quotient 22, remainder is 0. Then divide it by 2. We got quotient 11, remainder is 0. Divided by 2. We got quotient 5 and remainder is 1. Divided by 2, we got here quotient is 2 and remainder is 1. Then again divided by 2, we got the quotient 1 and the remainder is 0. This is the integer part and we have to write this top, bottom to top. Okay, so this 88 is converted and we got the answer 1 0 1 1 0 0 0. This is the binary equivalent of this 88, that is the integer part. Now we have to convert this fractional part. Let's convert this fractional part. This is 0.125. This is the fractional part. To convert this fractional part, we have to, instead of dividing by 2, we have to multiply it by 2. So multiply the number by 2. We will get here 0.250. So we have to take this integer part into consideration. We got here 0. Now again take this fractional part. This is 0.250 into 2. So we got here 0.500. Now take this integer part, that is 0. Then again we have to multiply this 0.500 into 2. So we got here 1.00. So we have to consider this fractional part, that is 0.500 into 2. So we'll get here 1.000. Take this integer part, that is 1. So this process is continued. We have to write down this answer. We have to find out this answer, take 3 to 4 steps and write down the answer from top to bottom. So we got the answer of 0.125 is equal to 001. This is our answer. But the question is what? 88.125. So we have to combine this two. So the question is 88.125 and this is the decimal number and our final answer is this 1011,000 point this 001. So this is the decimal to binary conversion of 88.125 and the final answer is this.